Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about these Born Pretty glitter polishes. So Born Pretty was nice enough to send me these reflective glitter gel polishes. I will link all of this stuff in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. Shocker. If you're new to my channel, I do giveaways all the time. I love to pay it forward. So I'm going to be giving half of these polishes away to a lucky winner. So this one is, I didn't catch the name, but there it was. This is a sparkly, reflective, glittery blue. I chose to keep this one as one of the polishes that I'm going to use. This next polish here, they were a little hard to get out of the packaging, but there we go. So here's the name on that one, and this is a really beautiful, sparkly, purpley, pink, blue. I mean, the glitters in these are beautiful. They do not pick up on camera as good as they do in person. It just doesn't do them justice. They are so pretty. So this one, Bright Sparkler, is another really pretty blue glitter, but it's got like a reflective pink. So I ended up keeping that one as well. And you'll see the finished product. I use the two blue colors on my nails. This next one, another really beautiful gold. I had to keep this one because gold, sparkly gold, is my jam. So those are the three I ended up keeping. And then these are the three that I'm going to be giving away to one of you. So you have that sparkly purpley color. This one is just a beautiful dark silver with all those pretty glitters in it. And then this last one ended up being a gorgeous red, like a dark red. And it's called Fire Tree, I think. Look at how pretty. Oof, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You guys are going to be stunned when you see how easy it is to get a gorgeous manicure. So this is from Born Pretty. You can buy them on Amazon. I wanted to kind of show you the product and how they advertise it. So here are all the glitter colors. The blues, the pinks, the silvers, the purple, gold, the red. And it shows you can use them over different bases. So a clear base versus a black base. And then you can use them over color bases as well to get a little bit different of a result. So they are really versatile. You can use them in a lot of different ways, but the glitter on them is gorgeous. So here are the three I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. Stick around to the end of the video so you can learn how to enter my giveaway. But I do these all the time, so make sure you're subscribed, because if you subscribe to my channel, there's a really good chance you're going to win something, maybe more than once. I do these giveaways very, very frequently, like I said. So as always, I'm going to be starting out with my Amelie Builder Base. So I already have done one coat of the Builder Base on all of my nails. I had a crack, and you can't even see it hardly at all. But at the end of my pinky nail here, I broke the nail. And so what I did was take a little dot of super glue and I glued the nail back together, and then I put this Builder Base over top, and boom, you can't even tell I have a broken nail. And then I just use an alcohol pad to wipe off the sticky layer. I'm going to go ahead and put a second layer of builder gel, and then I decided to use the two blue sparklies, the one with the pink shift and the one that was more of a true blue. So we're going to start by going in with this builder gel, and I will link this in the description box. I'll also link the video where I use it and show you how to use it. It is my favorite builder gel product. You get the 2-pack, the builder gel base and the top coat on Amazon for like 10 bucks. I mean, you really cannot beat this. I buy them 4 or 5 containers at a time because I literally use them all the time. So if you are new here and you haven't seen one of my videos, I will quickly kind of go through my process here. on what I do. But I do encourage you to watch some of my other tutorials where I really explain the process and I do more of a how to use in a lot of my other tutorials. So check out my Nails, Nails, Nails playlist and watch any of those videos. So essentially what I do, I take the builder gel on the brush, and this builder gel is more of a liquidy, thin, really easy to manipulate gel. I put it on my nail and then I start spreading it around the middle to the bottom of my nail. I take my brush then and I push it up towards my cuticle. That way I'm not flooding the cuticle line. I'm getting a thinner amount at the cuticle and then I brush it down. I make sure to hit the sidewalls and then I get a little on the very tip of my nail and then even it out. If I have too much on my brush, I'll swipe some of it off on the next nail and then continue on spreading that out. But that's the process. It's very easy to use. You just take your time, you use a thin amount, you make sure you're not flooding anything, spread it around. Then once I have all my nails covered, I'm going to flip it for about 10 seconds. This is going to let gravity do its work to pull that gel towards the center of your nail and give you that nice, beautiful shape and create that apex that makes your nail look so pretty. We're going to camera magic here. I cured it for a full 60 seconds and you are going to end up having a sticky, tacky layer on top of this builder gel, which acts as a gel base. So when you're ready to put your gel color on, it just goes right on top. So I'm going into the True Blue first, and I'm going to put this on the same way I do everything. Stick it on my nail, and then slowly start working it up towards the cuticle, down the sidewalls, spreading it around so it's even. I hit the very tip, and then I spread everything out. I'm going to end up doing 2 layers of polish. Sometimes I do 1, sometimes I do 3. It's all dependent on how the color looks, how the thickness is, and how much it takes to get my desired effect. So I'm skipping a nail here because I'm also going to use that color with the pink shift and I want it to alternate. Thumb, middle, and pinky will have the pink, and then the pointer and the index will have the True Blue. And you can even see as I'm putting it on here and hitting different angles, those little sparkles come up. While this was on my nails, I just sat there and moved my nails up and down, looked at all the shift of the glitter. It was so pretty to look at. And I actually got quite a few compliments on this nail polish and these glitters. So I'm a huge fan. I love Born Pretty. You really can't get better quality for an affordable price. And it's on Amazon. If you're Amazon Prime, you get this within a day or two. They really have great products. I've used a lot of Born Pretty stuff. They're constantly sending me stuff to try out and tell you guys about, and I love telling you guys about them because they have such good stuff. And if you can get great quality products at an affordable price, I mean, what more is there in life, right? You really can't beat it. So I'm just going to finish applying the pink color to that last nail here, and then we're going to do the same thing we do with every application. Once it's smoothed out, we're going to flip it and we're going to nuke it. And when you put it under the lamp, it just cures the polish and hardens it up for you. So here we go. Flip it and cook it. I'm gonna start referring to this process as the flip and cook. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm in a goofy mood today. Hopefully everybody is feeling well and doing well. I know this last week has been rough for me and my kiddo dealing with COVID and going to school. So sending prayers to everybody. I'm thinking about all of you. I hope you're doing well. So here's that first coat. It is cooked, cured, nuked, ready to go. It is going to have a slight bit of a sticky finish, so I'm not going to go in touching it with my fingers. I'm going to go right into that second coat. And I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time having you guys watch me apply this the second time. This is not a tutorial. It's more of a review of these polishes. So here's the second coat applied. We're going to flip it and cook it. And then we're going to throw a top coat on this manicure. And honestly, I don't know how it gets more easy than this, really. I love this builder gel and the gel manis because I can get a great manicure in about 30 minutes and it's easy and it looks great. So, as promised, we're going in with that top coat. This top coat is literally my favorite gel top coat I have ever used. It is beautiful. It is nice and thick. It gives a gorgeous gloss. It doesn't chip. It doesn't peel. It doesn't yellow. I could not ask for anything more than what I get out of this top coat. And for the price, I mean, I just don't get it. I don't get how it's so good and so cheap. So I'm throwing this top coat on there, and then we're going to do the same thing, flip it and cook it, and then our mani is done. So really, for a couple of layers of builder gel to protect that nail and build out the nail if you need, add a little thickness, a couple layers of color, a layer of top coat, and you are done and out the door. This gives me a good thickness. It's not too hard, so it doesn't feel like acrylic or plastic on my nails. It is a lot more of natural feel, but it still provides me that protection. I don't get any chipping. I don't get any cracking. When I'm ready to remove this, it comes right off. I mean, I'm just sold. So here we go. Top coat is applied. We're going to flip it. Give it about 10 seconds to let everything settle, even out, and then we're going to cure it. And every time I cure a layer, I do it for two 30-second increments, so about 60 seconds in this lamp. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the rest of my nails, and I will be back to show you the finished product on all the nails. All right, here we have it. So after everything was applied, I just took a file and went along the sidewalls and the edges and just cleaned up anything that maybe had spilled over and affected the shape of my nails, but very little cleanup, very little work, and this is the finished product. You can see the reflection on those glitters. It's beautiful. Like I said, the camera does not do it justice. I highly recommend these colors for 6 polishes, super affordable. You can see the difference between the blue and the pink. It's just a slight difference, but it's so pretty, gorgeous to look at. What an easy manicure. I mean, does it get better than this? I don't know. I don't know if it does. I love my dip powder, but if I just want to get a really pretty manicure that'll last me a week and I don't want to put a whole bunch of time into it, this is my go-to. So here are the 3 polishes I decided to keep. I'm going to link them down below if you want to pick them up. Also, same thing with Emily. I'll link it down below. The other 3 polishes, I'm going to do a giveaway, plus I'll throw some other goodies in for you all, and I'll link down in the description box how to enter the giveaway. Essentially, just leave me a comment and make sure you're following me on Instagram so that I can contact you. Thank you all for watching. Check out the description box. See you in the next one.